Morning, Jamaat family. I am well. It's a morning after the Hurricane Beryl passed Jamaica, and I just wanted to touch base with you to let you know I am well for the most part. Most of Jamaica is well. It's not so well on the south coast. As you know, I'm in the western Mobile side. Some damage. I've actually did a walkthrough earlier today. I'm going to share that later with you. A lot of trees down, and stuff like that. But we have certainly survived. I'm gonna be sharing that with you. uh some roads totally blocked still, but the south coast of the island what got it really hard. So I'll be doing a little coverage, if you will, to share with you a little later, but I wanted to just give you an insight of what you can expect, or what happened then. All right, so more to come. We certainly will be talking and sharing with you